What's up, folks? Derek back here with another great and fast recipe. Brother tacos. That's right, you heard it. Brother tacos. Because me being a brother, we make tacos just a tad bit different than everybody else. That's why I'd rather eat my tacos instead of going to somebody else's tacos. So let's get that fire. Oh, yeah. Gonna start out with 2 pounds of ground beef, 80%. Break that up a little bit for you. The more meat, the more tacos. There you go, look at that. 2.5 pounds of meat, give or take. Half a pound somewhere, might be a little bit more. That's 80%. So I'm gonna let that heat up. I'm gonna let it cook down some. Gonna throw. We use taco seasoning packs because it make the taco taste. It may not be traditional, but this is the brother style. Original taco seasoning, brother style, not regular style, not traditional, but North Carolina brother style. We're gonna cook tacos. I'm gonna brown this meat real quick. Too bad in real life I couldn't go and it'd be done. Add a little red onion. Already chopped up. Magic of TV. Or I should say magic of YouTube. Onions already chopped up. A little salt to your taste. Kosher side coarse salt to your taste. I say tablespoon. So I'm gonna let this cook down, drain the fat, not all the fat, drain some of the fat, then add this taco seasoning, and we're gonna eat our taco seasoning because like I said, we are on keto over here, so we're gonna use HEB carb scent, and HEB makes their own keto tortillas, which they are pretty good also. Meat's getting close to being done. It's got a lot of excess water and fat down here. I'm gonna drain some of that off, not all of it. And I love McCormick's original taco seasoning mix because they're a little spicy. If you like less salt and all that kind of stuff, less spicy, you can get that as well. But I like it just a tad bit spicy. Is there a reason why most stores or most cheese companies, when they have taco cheese, it says Mexican cheese? Phineas would tell me why it can't just be cheese, why it's Mexican cheese. Is that just the type of cheese you guys usually use with tacos? Or just a question I would like to know. Okay, drain some of that fat out. Not to lose any meat. Ooh, might have to drain a little bit more. Quick sample, see if it's salty enough. Hey folks, make sure you taste your meat. You got to eat it. Make sure it's to your liking, to your taste. Salt it up, season it up, spice it up how you like it, baby. Because you got to eat it or you're going to throw it away. Try that again. Drain a little bit more fat off here. Very easy. For every pound, 1 pack. Don't need to add any water because I've got plenty of grease at the bottom of this. It should mix up real nice. 2 packets. I tell you again, this is not traditional. This is blackitional. This is black man tacos. Brother tacos. You come to a brother's house, if you come to this brother's house, this is what you're going to get. Seasoned ground beef. Taco seasoning packets. Gonna set out the bag of cheese, some lettuce. You want to add some more onions, you can. Tomato, Ortega taco sauce, guacamole, and a little salsa from HEB. And we're going to call it a day. I know you're saying, look at that grease at the bottom. Ooh, that's flavor. That's that flavor that's going to stay with you. All right. That's the meat. Now, let me go ahead and plate up a taco for you. Plate you a taco. One tortilla. Sometimes I heat it up on the fire to crisp it up, but this time I am not. HEB has a wonderful, you see we've been eating it already. HEB has a wonderful 2-pack guacamole salsa. It's actually pretty good. Gotta have sour cream. And what I was asking, Mexican style blended cheese, is that a thing? If you are subscribed to my page and you know this answer, please put it in the comments. Why is it Mexican style? Is that a real thing? First thing I'm gonna hit you with is a little daisy sour cream. Stir it up a little bit. Okay, take it like that. Little daisy sour cream. Then take that same, oh man, my wife's been tearing up the guacamole. And then hit you with a little guacamole. So that's how we start out, a little sour cream, little guacamole, so it stays on. Fat ton of meat. A little cheese. This is how I like it. Sometimes I do lettuce, tomatoes, and all that kind of stuff. Or sometimes I just give me some just like this. Meat, cheese, sour cream, guacamole, and an HEB salsa. There you go, folks. There you got it. Black man's taco. Quick, fast, and in a hurry. That was 20 minutes maybe. 20 minutes. You got tacos. It's time to eat. The messier, the better. If I can get under there. Oh, yeah. Look at all that. All those colors. All that. That's a good taco. Folks, black tacos. This is Derek here from Chicken in the Cooler. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share, tell your friends about it. We got quick meals, we got slow meals, we got all types of meals for every day. It's close to the holidays. Make tacos so you don't have to cook for the next 2 days. See ya.